He was the man with a dream which turned into reality. His first product was the Miraa wine. Yes, a wine made from cat, a wine with 10% alcohol content, and one which has mesmerized many.
Nilikuwa nafikiri miraa kila mahali ni vijana mtaani tu wakichana, wamefurisha midomo na hakuna kazi wanafanya. Nasikia mambo mengi mabaya ya miraa. Lakini hapa nimeshtuka.
Yeah, I want to go and test. I do take some wine. Yeah, I like wine.
His other product is juice made from the same, only this time some were not excited about it. Reason being,
when we are teaching, we talk of miraa as a drug. That's why I'm asking, juice for miraa? So are my girls safe? And I'm not accompanying them everywhere they are going. So they are likely to buy this and take on their way home.
The wines, these are the alcoholic beverages. They'll get you drunk. But for the juices, they are the soft drinks or the non-alcoholic beverages. They'll give you that kick. But the good thing about this product is that, okay, you'll get that miraa kick, but you'll still enjoy your sleep.
As if that is not enough, Kevin Thiga, the man behind this innovation, has ensured that you have a taste of cat in yogurt with miraa flavor. And you can also buy jam, which is cat flavored. I also tried some of the wine, but the yogurt left me salivating and asking for more. According to Kevin, his parents have been very supportive and he gets his raw material from their farm back in Meru.
Guys are surprised that there is even a wine from miraa. Okay, most people what they say is that they have heard about it, but they haven't actually seen one.
Kevin, a student from JKUAT who is doing a master's in food science, was the showstopper. Several visitors taking time at his stand to find out more on his innovation. Salome Mwirore, K24 Business.